Start. 7 months after scrapping the special status of Jammu and Kashmir, the centre has issued rules defining domicile of the newly created Union Territory. New Delhi on April 1, 2020, in a major decision, the Government of India Tuesday notified the rules for becoming a domicile of Jammu and Kashmir. In a Gazette notification, the central government stated that any person residing in Jammu and Kashmir for at least 15 years will now be eligible to be a domicile of the Union Territory. As per the Gazette notification, Section 3A of the J&K Reorganization Adaptation of State Laws Order 2020 under the J&K Civil Services Decentralization and Recruitment Act has been introduced to define domicile as that who has resided for a period of 15 years in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir or has studied for a period of 7 years and appeared in class 10th/12th examination in an educational institution located in the Union Territory of J&K inverted comma close before August 5, 35A of the Constitution within bracket now abrogated empowered J&K Assembly to define a J&K resident who alone were eligible to apply for jobs or own immovable property. The definition expands to include inverted comma children of those central government officials, all India services officers, officials of public sector undertakings and autonomous body of central government, public sector banks, officials of statutory bodies, officials of central universities and recognized research institutes of central government who have served in Jammu and Kashmir for a total period of 10 years or children of parents who fulfill any of the conditions in sections comma close. Additionally, persons registered as a migrant by the Relief and Rehabilitation Commissioner within bracket migrants in the Union Territory of J&K will also be included in the definition. Children of such residents of Jammu and Kashmir as reside outside Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir in connection with their employment or business or other professional or vocational reasons, but their parents fulfill any of the conditions provided earlier. The provisions of the Act authorize the Tahsildar as competent authority for issuing the domicile certificate as opposed to Deputy Commissioner or any officer specially notified by the state government by way of a Gazette notification in the form of a SRO. 29 states' laws have been repealed while 109 have been amended. Section 5A states that no person shall be eligible for appointment to a post carrying a pay scale for not more than level 4 inverted comma unless he is a domicile of Union Territory of J&K, close. Through the same order, the centre has repealed the Jammu and Kashmir Civil Services (Special Provisions Act). Stop.